Good morning to the oldest pupils of the school. We are going to start with your English dictation of week 4. I am going to read your weekly dictation. Make sure you're ready to start with your spelling booklet on the page of Start on Monday, April 4th, and a pencil. Listen carefully to the sentence I am reading. Listen carefully to the word you have to write. If needed, you can pause the film to write the word, and after you've written the word, read it out loud before starting the film again. Parents really are grown up. Write down grown up. Grown up. If you fall, you can really hurt your knee. Write down knee. Knee. In the spring, all the leaves are green again. Write down leaves. Leaves. Sometimes people talk a lot, but they say nothing. Write down nothing. Nothing. This book has a lot of pages. Write down pages. Pages. This is supposed to be the picture of a cat. Write down picture. Picture. This is the picture of Kim Possible. Write down the word possible. Possible. In love, you are either together with someone or you are single. Write down the word single. Single. Someone made a nice Harry Potter surprise. Write down surprise. Surprise. Did he survive the shark attack? Write down survive. Survive. Okay, we are going to check if you wrote all the words correctly. First word was grown up. Grown up, without the capital. And if you fall, you can hurt your knee. And the leaves are green. And he says nothing. And the book had a lot of pages. And we saw a picture of a cat. Is it possible this girl is named Possible? Yes, it was. And are you single or married? And you saw a Harry Potter surprise. And he survived. Survive. Okay. Did you make a mistake? That's okay. Just correct the word and copy it 3 times so you won't forget anymore. And did you write 8 or more words right? Well done. Give yourself a green smiley. This week you can practice on Tuesday blown, practice paper and a small dictation. On Wednesday you can do the verb spelling. And on Thursday, blown again, writing and again a small dictation. And on Friday you can take the test. Well, this Friday is Good Friday. So if school was on, you didn't have to go that day. I did plan a day's work, but if you decide to take Friday off, you can decide to take the test on Friday. I say Friday, I mean Thursday. So you can take Friday's test on Thursday if you want to. Okay? Have fun this week.